The LotusWorks apprenticeship is a structured programme that combines hands-on learning with formal education.
It's all about nurturing talent. We also offer our apprentices the opportunity to travel.
Obviously the opportunity to travel, that was something I found very attractive.
So LotusWorks is an engineering solution provider to some of the world's leading manufacturers across the semicon, data centre, life sciences and medtech industries. The services we provide range from calibration, commissioning to operations and maintenance to construction management.
So generally the apprenticeship programme takes around 4 years, so they're getting to understand the site, get to understand the industry that they're in.
My name is Ewan Morrissey, I'm 20 years old and I'm a Phase 1 apprentice with LotusWorks.
My name is Kieran O'Reilly, I'm a Phase 3 apprentice.
My name is Paul Wire and I'm a Phase 3 Instrumentation Apprentice.
LotusWorks is the ideal company to start with because of the wide range of different sites and industries they're actually involved in.
I found that the LotusWorks apprenticeship programme seemed to be more of a hands-on experience than other apprenticeships. From day one when I started, I was straight away on a job, helping out. That's kind of what attracted me to it.
You're not expected to know everything coming in. As long as you're willing to put the work in yourself, you'll definitely get rewarded here.
Learning and earning at the same time.
I think the size really as well of how many clients they have and how many different sectors that they work within really stood out.
So in LotusWorks we offer two main apprenticeships, with one being instrumentation and the second being E&I, which is electrical instrumentation.
We cover all areas of the site.
So Phase 1 is your introductory kind of phase, learning all the basic stuff about what it's like being on site. Phase 2 is your first block of college where you're in a training centre. Phase 3, where I am, you're back to site again. Skills that I've definitely improved on since joining has been so broad. Everything from practical skills, working with hand tools, working with bigger equipment.
You kind of get hands-on and IT experience as well.
All the time I'm learning more and more, so it's been fantastic.
So what makes our apprenticeship programme different is we offer a career.
It's a massive opportunity for young apprentices coming into that type of environment.
We offer experience in various industries.
We want people to see it as a long-term career for them, not just a job. What makes LotusWorks special for me is the people.
So LotusWorks is very much a people-first culture. We're powered by our people and we live that value every day.
It feels like a family environment.
I always felt, welcomed. You never felt like an outsider.
Everyone is kind, everyone is friendly, everyone's very approachable. It's a really good environment.
You very much get the sense that LotusWorks takes care of its people.
LotusWorks have been fantastic, I suppose, in supporting me. They've given me every opportunity to kind of excel in the role. It grew my confidence massively.
A LotusWorks career is for everyone. Teamwork is crucial. We like people who are honest and accountable.
Absolutely, 100% I'd recommend it.
I've been here for 25 years. I really enjoy the work that I do and I enjoy the people that I work with.
It's good work, it's honest work really.
Go to lotusworks.com to apply for your apprenticeship now.